Alrighty, hey friends, ETPC here, doing another unboxing. This is on the Pop Voice Lavalier lapel microphone. It's for iPad, iPhone, computer, all that stuff. Alright, so I kind of needed an upgrade. As you could tell, this microphone is a little, it works good, but then some parts, it like if I say different words, it can be a little cloudy. Okay, so that's the box. Inside we have a little bag with Pop Voice written on there. It's kind of nice. Okay. Feel like there should be like diamonds in here or something. Okay, inside we have the microphone. And this is supposed to have a 6-foot, 6.5 foot cord, which is going to be nice because when I do my videos here, my computer's under the desk, so it'll be nice to have a little bit longer cord. So if I roll out in my chair, I'm not pulling the computer with me. All right, so that's it for the bag. And in here, we have another adapter for it, and 3 different colored covers for the microphone, which is kind of cool. Also, we have the instructions. All right, my friends, so that's it for the unboxing. I'm gonna be trying this out here real quick, and we'll follow up with a review. Thanks for watching. Alright, so I hooked this up into the helmet here, and I simply connected it to my computer right there into the microphone jack. So I had to put in the adapter in there that it came with, and I just plugged it right in there. Show you what I did to get it started, and let's wrap this one up. Testing 1 2 2. Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2. Just seeing if this one is clear while starting the video. It was my old lavalier mic, and this is the new one, so trying to figure out which one sounds better. I'll look over this and compare. We'll get back to the review. Alright, so this is the final review section of the video, and I went over and listened to the recordings with the old microphone and the new one that I have. Pretty similar, actually can't really tell the difference, so both decent quality. So with this one, I like how it plugs into the audio, the microphone jack on my computer. With this one, it has the 4 to 3 prong adapter it came with. The other one I was using plugged into the USB port and took up another USB. Well, took up a USB port, but I mean it's worked good as well. So I'd have to say that this one's it does come with the extra covers and stuff, so that is kind of nice, and it also works. Well, it should work on other devices as well. I have no reason to assume it wouldn't, as far as like phones and stuff like that. I have a Google Pixel, so mine doesn't have audio jack like that. It's USB-C. So definitely, this is a good little microphone. I'll be using it here, and I'll leave a link in the description below to Amazon. Picked it up for about $10, so thanks for watching. Give it probably, I'm not sure if the sound quality on a better mic would get rid of I think the only issue I have with these microphones so far is just because my microphone's in the helmet here, and sometimes it does pick up a little bit of extra noise, and I think they're designed to be down here on your shirt or something like that, but I have it right next to my mouth pretty much, so that's probably not the fault of the microphone, that sometimes if I say word that uses extra air, that it kind of makes a little distortion. So anyways, nice little microphone, works great. Thanks for watching this review. You guys have a good day, and we'll see you next time.